What's up, wizards of the new world? Look around you. AI is everywhere. It's in your phone, recommending your next favorite song. It's helping doctors detect diseases earlier than ever before. It's even driving cars on our streets. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is our reality, happening right now, today, on August 30th, 2025. The world is being rebuilt, line by code, by artificial intelligence. And you, yes you, have the chance to be one of its architects. The demand for AI and data science talent is exploding. Companies are desperately searching for people who can speak the language of data and build intelligent systems. This isn't some exclusive club for geniuses with PhDs, not anymore. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a burning desire to create something amazing. All right, first things first. Every great journey starts with a single step. In the world of AI, that step is learning Python. Why Python? Think of it as the universal language of data. It's simple, it's readable, it's incredibly powerful. The global community of developers loves it. Free resources, libraries, support available 24/7. Companies from Google, Netflix, NASA. By learning Python, you're not just learning a programming language, you're learning the lingua franca of the entire AI industry. So what do you actually need to learn? Don't get overwhelmed trying to learn every single thing about Python at once. That's a trap. You need to get comfortable with variables, integers, floats, strings, booleans. Then move on to data structures. Lists, tuples, dictionaries, especially dictionaries. Learn control flow, for loops, and functions. You've got your Python skills sharpened. Awesome. Now it's time to become a data wizard. Data is the fuel for all AI. Without it, even the most brilliant algorithm is useless. Your next mission is to learn how to wrangle data, clean data, explore data. The first library you need to meet is NumPy. Think of NumPy as the bedrock for numerical computing in Python. NumPy arrays are way faster and more efficient than regular Python lists. After NumPy, you'll graduate to Pandas. Pandas is your absolute best friend for data manipulation and analysis. Load data from files, clean up messy columns, handle missing values, filter for the exact information you need. The best way to tell a story with data is through visualization. Use Matplotlib and Seaborn. Visualization helps you spot patterns, identify outliers, and communicate your findings to others. The best way to master these libraries is to get your hands dirty with real data. Kaggle, UCI, government data portals. Pick a topic you're passionate about: sports, movies, climate change, video games. Load it into a Pandas data frame, clean it up, ask interesting questions. This hands-on practice is what separates the beginners from the pros. Welcome to the Magic Show. This is where your journey gets seriously exciting. You've learned to program and handle data. Now you're going to learn how to make machines think. Machine learning, or ML, is the core of AI. It's the science of getting computers to act without being explicitly programmed. Instead of writing rules for everything, you feed the computer data and let it learn. It's like teaching a child with examples, not a giant manual. This tech powers spam filters, recommendation engines, and countless other systems. ML is split into three main types: supervised learning, learning with a teacher. You give the algorithm data with correct labels. For example, thousands of pictures labeled cat or dog. Example, predicting house prices from historical features. Algorithms: linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, SVM, KNN. Unsupervised learning. Learning without a teacher. You give unlabeled data and the algorithm finds hidden patterns on its own. Used for customer segmentation, anomaly detection like fraudulent transactions. Reinforcement learning. Learning by trial and error like training a pet. Examples: game agents, chess, Go, training robots for complex tasks. The agent receives rewards and learns policies that maximize reward. Key library: scikit-learn, student approach. Understand the math, implement algorithms from scratch, and with libraries, focus on model evaluation metrics. Now we go deeper. If machine learning is magic, then deep learning is the advanced sorcery that powers the most incredible AI breakthroughs of our time. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning inspired by the human brain. It uses artificial neural networks. Imagine a network of simple interconnected nodes organized in layers: input, hidden, output. During training, the network is shown many examples. It adjusts weights to minimize errors. Loss decreases over time. They are the reason we have self-driving cars, voice assistants that understand us, and AI that can generate breathtaking art. Key libraries: TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch. Both are great. TensorFlow is production-ready, PyTorch is research-friendly. Start with a simple project like recognizing MNIST handwritten digits. Build intuition by experimenting, not by memorizing equations. Focus on high-level concepts: layers, activation functions, loss, optimizers. You can now choose a specialization: computer vision, NLP, MLOps, AI ethics, reinforcement learning, generative AI. Computer vision, teaching machines to see. Face ID, self-driving cars, medical imaging. Work with CNNs for images. Natural language processing, chatbots, voice assistants, translation, sentiment analysis. Work with transformers and attention mechanisms. MLOps, bridge the gap from model to deployed, scalable, reliable application. Also, data engineering and DevOps support the stack. AI ethics. Think deeply about societal impact. Ensure systems are fair, transparent, and used for good. But let me tell you a secret. Knowing the technical stuff is only half the battle. The other half is about your mindset, your habits, how you approach learning. Consistency is the #1 rule. Practice every single day. Stay endlessly curious. Follow top researchers on Twitter. Subscribe to newsletters like The Batch or Import AI. Watch YouTube explainers and read papers. Join communities: Kaggle, GitHub, Discord. Ask questions, answer others, teach to solidify understanding. Focus on the why, not just the how. Your value is understanding why you chose a model, its assumptions and limitations. Build projects. Your portfolio is your resume for the future. Show work on GitHub, write good README files, document how to run your projects. Start small to build momentum. Try churn prediction, flower classification. The key is to finish and document what you learned. Push your code to GitHub, write a great README, publish a blog post. Share your work so it isn't a tree falling in the forest. Embrace the struggle. That's where growth happens. Celebrate small victories: the first script, the first chart, the first model. Open up your computer, write that first line of code, start your journey today, right now. Go build the future. Let's do this. If this roadmap helped, like, subscribe, and comment with questions. I'm excited to see what you'll build.